Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to clear cache on TikTok. So first of all, you have to open up your iPhone setting. On your settings, you have to scroll down and click on the option that is General. In General, you have to click on iPhone storage. In the storage section, you have to scroll down and search for TikTok. In TikTok, you have to click on the option that is Offload app. Again, click on Offload app. Once you have offloaded your app, you have to click on the option that says Reinstall app. After doing this will take a few minutes to reinstall the TikTok application on your device. Don't worry, this won't log you out of your TikTok in case you have forgotten your password. Once your TikTok app is installed, you have to open it. Then go to your profile. In your profile, you have to click on these three horizontal lines that are present in the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy. In Settings, you have to scroll down until you see the option that says Free Up Space. Over here, you have to click on Clear that is written in front of cache, and you will be able to easily clear all of the cache that is stored in your TikTok application. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.